So, illustration number 14, we will continue in the contract costing. The following figures are supplied to you by contract or for the year ending 31st December 2019. So, particulars amount rupees given here. Work in progress as on 31st to 12 2018, 85,000, and less cash received from the contract is 55,000, that is total 30,000 during the year. So, wages is given 8,500 and 6,000 materials brought 6,000 working experience working expenses. So working expenses is 1,500, material issued from stores 10,500, administrative expenses 250 rupees charged for the to profit and loss account is 1,250. So 1,250 materials. So plant is 2,500. Materials returned to supplier is 4,450. Materials returned to stores is 550. Work certified 15,000. Contracts finished 22,500. 22,500, and profits taken upon the contract is 11,500. Advance from contracting is 40,000. So advance from the contractor is 40,000. Prepare contract ledger accounts and total contracting and show the work in progress as would be appearing as per the balance sheet. As would be appear in the balance sheet. So work in progress. So 85,000 to wages, 8,500, materials account 6,000, 10,500, work in progress, that is 1,500, administration expenses thousands, and profit and loss of plant all 2,500, and profit and loss account taken by contracts and 11,500, and credit side we see here institute side work in progress account, work uncertified 88,000, 1,03,000, materials returned to supplier 4,450, and materials returns to stores 550, and contract account 22,500 and 1,26,500. So this is the contract account. So next contract account, so 22,500 to account to balance carried on 72,500. So the balance carried on after balance brought up 55,000 is 55,000 is the balance cash received from contracting. So we see here in the question we see here work in progress cash received. So this will be posted to the contractee. So contractee account, but cash account already given. So cash account to advance from contractee is 40,000. So this will be posted here 95,000 remaining balance 72,500 is the balance carried on. So balance sheet work in progress less cash received 72,500, that is contractee account from account. So 1,03,000 remaining 30,500 is the cost is the balance sheet 30,500. So we clear this 14th problem same as it is. So work uncertified we calculate total add it. So 15,550. So work uncertified here 15,000 plus 450. So credit side plus 550 plus 22,500. So minus, so 1,26,500 credit side 1,26,500. So remaining 88,000. So total expenses work experience divided by contracting account. So clear. Next illustration number 15. So illustration number 15 we discuss. So the information given under has been extracted from the books of contractor relating to the contract of rupees 3,75,000. The information illustration number 15. The information given under has been extracted from the books of a contractor relating to the contract for the for 3,75,000. So materials for first year, second year, third year. So years is given materials amount 45,000, 55,000, 31,500. So direct expenses. So direct expenses is given. Direct expenses 1,75,000. So this is the figures. Total work certified is already given. So 2 lakhs given. Work uncertified first year no, second year 5,000, uncertified year on the third year no. Nil plant is 5,000 in the first year and nil. The value of, here with the paragraph, the value of plant at the end of first year was rupees 4,000. So end of the first year 4,000 and at the end of second year is 2,500. That is plant. The value of plant at the end of first year was rupees 4,000. At the end of the second year 22,500 and the end of the third year was 1,000. So at the end of the year was 1,000. It was customary to pay 90% in cash of the amount work certified. So amount of first year it should 90%, amount of work should 90% in cash of the amount work certified. Prepare contract account, show the figures would be appear in the balance sheet. So this is the figures particulars given. So can some I read again. The value of plant at the end of first year we got the value of plant. So value of plant. So value of plant at the first year. So first year end of the first year is 4,000. So end of the first year. So end of the first year is 4,000 and end of the second year end of the second year is 2,500. So 2,500. So 2,500 and end of the end of the third year was rupees. So end of the third year is, so third year is 1,000 rupees. So 90% is customary to pay 90% in cash at the amount of work certified. Prepare contract account and show the figures would be appear in the balance sheet. So for 90% the cash of the amount is work certified. Also the amount is work certified. 90% of cash is certified. It is a customary. That means you prepare 90% regularly. So prepare contract account. First year we'll see posted. So first year as per the problem is concerned, the materials first year 45,000, 45,000, 7,550. So refer this. You see here 45,000, 45,000. So figure same is plant was first year. So opening plant. So plant already 5,000 there. So plant 5,000. So plant is 5,000. To wages 45,000. So total is plant. So work in progress account already work certified yes is given. First year 87,500. So 87,500 is given. So 87,500 is given. It will be posted here. So it is 87,500 is nil work. So first year nil. So first year 87,500 work uncertified is nil. So nil. So nil. So plant account end of the closing plant is end of the year. So I already explained it, mentioned it. End of the first year plant was 4,000. So plant was 4,000. So 4,000 was plant. So by profit and loss account is 3,500. So 90% is 3,000. 3,500. So 3,500. So 3,500 by plant account, by profit and loss account. It is customary to by 90% of cash would be work. It is work uncertified. So 95,000 on the credit side. So we need to profit and loss account 95,000. plus 4,000 95,000 into 90%. So profit and loss account is 3,600. This is wrong. 9,000 90. So 95,000 minus 87,500. 8,500 minus 4,000. So we got 3,500. After deducting all debit side and credit side, we get 3,000. Profit and loss account is 3,500. It is loss. It will be transferred to the balance sheet. So the 3,500 it is customary. So 3,500 we will clear 9,500, 95,000, 95,000. This is the first year. So end of the first year. Next we move into second year. Work in progress 87,500 given in the work in progress. Second year work in progress. So 87,500 we will transfer to the next year. So 87,500. I hope you will understand so far. So it is a work certified, that is work uncertified is 87,000 work in progress. So so next year 87,500 to materials accounts 55,000. So already given in the problem materials second year 55,000 already given in the problem. So already given in the problem 55,000 second year 55,000. So direct expenses 6,250. 6,250. So 6,250 is in the direct expenses. Next, uh, plant account. So plant account is 4,000. But here we see here end of the first year it is plant was already mentioned in the paragraph. A value of the plant at the end of the first year was 4,000. At the end of the second year we need to maintain this type of figures. It is customary to maintain 90% in cash of amount work certified. So 4,000 end of the year. So end of the end of the first year we got plant was rupees 4,000 and second same it will be into the second year 4,000 already, that means outstanding plant account. So 50 wages account given in the problem. So indirect expenses given in the problem. So work in progress account work certified already given here 2 lakhs. We see here 2 lakhs 2 lakhs 82,500. So 2 lakhs I will post it here 2 lakhs 82,500. So work uncertified. So work certified uncertified is given. So total 2 lakhs 87,500. So we need to maintain end of the second year we plant account is 2,500. So 2,500 we need to calculate profit and reserve account. So calculate 2 lakhs 87,500 plus 2,500. So 2 lakhs 90,000 is given here. So we subtract, we add it after deducting the debit side. So we add into the debit side first to 87,500. So 87,500. So we see here 87,500 calculation of profit and loss account and reserve. So we need to add it 87,500, 55,000, 6,250, 4,000, 57,500, thousands, 47,250. We need to calculate profit and loss account. So let's add it from the expenses on the debit side. So 87,500 plus plus 55,000 materials account. Next class 6,250 plus 4,000 plus 57,500, 57,500 plus that is 2 plus 1,000. So 2 lakhs 11,250. So subtracted up 2 lakhs 90,000 on the credit side. So after deducting, we see here 78,750, 78,750, 78,750, 78,750. So 90% cash reserve. So cash reserve over 2 lakhs 90,000. We calculated. So 87,500 plus 55,000, 87,500 plus 55,000 plus 62,050 plus 4,000 plus 57,500 plus thousands plus. So 2 lakhs 11,150 on the credit debit side after deducting adding addition to the all expenses. So now we will subtracted 2 lakhs 9 on the credit side. So 7 lakhs 78,000, sorry, 78,750, 78,750, 78,750. This is the remaining balance. We need to subtract either profit and loss account to 78,050. So what is the need to calculate here? Profit and loss account. Profit and loss account we need to calculate. 90% is the cash received. So 90% is the cash received. So work certified is 2,82,500, 2,82,500 divided by 90%. Sorry, 2,87,000 the work in progress. 2,87,500 divided by 90%. So calculation more than 50, cash received divided by, so cash received 90 divided by work uncertified, right? Uncertified, work uncertified 28,2,500. Calculation of profit and loss account. Here we tricky in this problem 47,250. So 47,250 for 78,750 into 2 by 3, 52,000 into 1 by 3. Just So here we see here calculation of, so here we see calculation of profit and loss account. So calculation of profit and loss account. So calculation of profit and loss account and reserve. So profit and loss account reserve is 2,90,000. Add all debit side minus credit side. Add debit side and credit side and subtracted both sides. So it means 2,90,000 on the credit side, 2,90,000 on the credit side minus 87,000, 55,000. So remaining 87,500 plus 55,000 plus 62,050 plus 44,000 plus 57,500 plus thousands plus. So we got 21 to 2,11,000, 2,11,250, 2,11,250. So after deducting, you see 78,750. This is the closing, this is the figure, remaining figure we need to subtract. So it already mentioned 90%. It is customary to the cash received. So cash received to customary to pay cash 90%. So for our amount of work certified. So that is 2 by 3 more than 50% is here. So we calculated, you see 78,750 into 2 by 3 divided by 90%. Okay, just a minute, okay. 78,750 into 2 by 3. 2 by 3 we got 52,500 into 90%. So 47,250. So 47,250. So we calculate again for the sake of understanding. Repetition is the key. So 78,750, 2 by third, that is 2 by third into 90%. So 2 into 90%. So 57. So 52,500 into 90%. So 2 by third after deducting the 78,750 divided by 2 by 3 into 90%. 2 by 3 is more than 50% of cash is given. So more than we need to calculate more than work certified. So 52,500, that is 42 profit and loss account is 47,250. So remaining, subtract after remaining 52,750 minus, so remaining how much, 78,750 minus 47,250 we got. So after subtracting 78,000 remaining on this figure, that is 31,500, it will be transferred to the profit and loss. So 31,500 it will be transferred to the profit and loss account. So hopefully clear. More than 50%, so we calculated as per the formula 2 by third. So 2 by third notional profit, we calculate cash received by work certified. So cash received by work certified. So that we see here more than 50%. So 2 by 2 lakhs. So 90% is to be cash price. So 90% divided by 2 lakhs 82,500. So we see here more than 50%. So more than 50% we calculated. So the profit so arrived above manner shall be further reduced ratio of the cash received and work certified. So this form, thus the formula is follows 2 by 3 notional profit into, so notional profit with total. So we subtracted profit and loss. So this is the notional profit. So after deducting the debit side, credit side. So after this is the notional profit. So notional profit. So notional profit. So after reduction we subtracted is either profit and loss account and reserve. So cash received divided by work certified. So hopefully clear. End of the second year. So end of the second year we calculate here. So 47,250 and 31,500. So this is the profit and loss. So transfer to the reserve, transfer to the next year, that is third year, 31,500. So contract is 3,75,000. So this is the given in the problem. So given in the problem. So we see here 3,75,000. So this is the third year. So third year contract account 3,75,000. So planned we will maintain in each year the figures already given. Third, at the end of the year, third year it was 1,000 rupees. So end of the 1,000 rupees plant account is 1,000 rupees mentioned here. So 2,87,000 the work in progress, 2,87,500 transfer to the third year. Same similar. This is the traditional approach. Traditional approach to transfer the work in progress of each year to plant maintenance. So plant end of the third year 2,500. This is the mention is given. So end of the second year 2,500 is remaining. So end of the 2,500 is remaining. So 2,500 is remaining and will be posted here. Okay, next materials account third year, end of the third year, given in the problem, third year. So given in the problem, materials third year 31,500. So 31,500. Direct expenses is given. So direct expenses 2,250. So 2,050 and direct expenses 42,500. 42,000. So direct expenses 42,500 is given. So simple we calculate. So profit and loss account 41,250. We need to calculate again. So same procedure, same problem. So problem, same method again. Notional profit we calculated. So wages account 42,000. So first we added 2 lakhs debit side, 2,87,500 plus 2,500 plus 31,500 plus 22,050 plus 42,500. So 3,66,000. And after adding the credit debit side, 3,66,250 minus, so 4,07,500. 4,07,500. So add it, subtracted minus 4,07,500, that is equal to 41,250. So 41,250 directly given. So there is no work certified and work uncertified. That's why we can directly given posted here, because we end of the 3 years closing the books. 41,250 remaining. So 4,07,500, 4,07,500. So planned. So work in balance sheet now. First year 87,500. So 87,500 is the first year work in progress less cash 90%. So here we cash received. So after 90% deducting 78,050. So cash received, it is customary to pay 90%. So given in the problem we see here 90% in cash. Cash of amount is work certified. So we need to calculate less cash received. So 9 after deducting. So maintain 4,000 work in progress. Same again second year. So second year. So second year less same again, that is 33,250. So reserve already there. Second year 31,500. So subtracted 1,750 and lost 2,500. That is the plant, remaining plant. So plant account is 2,500. So balance sheet is over. So we finish the 15th illustration. We move into the next 16th illustration. Illustration number 16. The firm of engineers undertook the 3 contracts begins on 1st January, 1st May and 1st August 2015. Their accounts on 30th November 2015 showed in the following position. Contract price 8,000, 54,000. Materials particulars is given. So prepare contract account. So next, before prepare contract account, see here some paragraph is given. on the respective dates of the contract. The plant was installed, depreciation thereon being taken at 15%. So depreciation will be taken for 15% per annum. We are required to prepare accounts of contract ledger. So each year, debit and credit. So materials account as it is posted here. So depreciation 15%, 11,012. So simple calculations. So remaining balance notional profit same again. After deducting here debit side credit side we get 2 by 3. So same again 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 because 3 by 4 is given 30,000. So here we see 30,000 divided by 40. So simply we get 3 by 4. So same again the simple understand same method work directed posted 40,000 work certified 32,000 and 72,500. This is the work uncertified. Work certified is given. Work certified. So work uncertified is 12,000, 1,200, 1,600. So cash received for work certified 30,000. So 3 years is given. Work uncertified is given. So calculate like this. So after deducting reserve we calculate same 4,080, 480. So depreciation on plant we calculate like this. First year 4,000 15% is given 11 by 12 that is 55,050. So 11 by 12 is 5,050. It is customer to depreciation they are around 15% per annum. We are required to prepare the contracts account for the contract ledger. 550 15% into 11 by 12. So plant installed 11,500. Because why 11 by 12 is 1st January to 30th November. So 1st January to 30th. So calculation of depreciation. So we see here why 550. So depreciation 4,000 is the depreciation because the contract. So contract took is the three contracts undertook the 1st January, 1st May. So 1st January to 30th November that is 11 months. That's why we deducted 11 by 12. Next May 7 months from 1st May 6th to and November 7 months and used for depreciation plant used for 7 months and 2,400 and 2,400 into 50% 4 by 12 that is 4 months remaining August, September, October, November. So end of the their accounts end on 31st. So that is 3 months, 4 months that we got subtracted like this depreciation. Hopefully clear. For 11 months used, 7 months used, 4 months used. So 120, 120, this is the depreciation. Notional profit is 42,000, 38,000, 3,000, 34,000. So simple we deducted in this problem. Materials issued and materials issued. So next, I hopefully clear this 16th problem. Now move into this 17th illustration number 17. Illustration number 17. The following is the trial balance of Premier Construction Company engaged on the execution of contract number is 747. The following for the year 31st December 2015 was rupees. The amount received 3 lakhs. Buildings 1,60,000, craters 72,000. So this is the figures, expenses, materials account. So next we meet the paragraph. This is the very important. The contract on number 747 commenced on 1st January 2015 was materials cost 7,70,000. So here we see the general materials account. Expenses are charged 25% on wages. So expenses charged on 25% on wages. Plan to be depreciated 10% of the entire year. So entire year we calculate 10%. So first we posted materials is 1,70,000. So materials is given material costing 1,70,000. To wages account 1,80,000. So 1,80,000 is taken into the made problem. So 1,80,000. Next to depreciation plan. We already planned how much 2,50,000. So here we see here 9 by 12 because mission used for 9 months. So 9 by 12 into 10% depreciation charged 9 months charge because the commenced on 1st January to December 2015, end of the September. So here we see plant at cost 2 lakhs was used for the 1st January to 31st 30th September 30th September and was then returned to the stores So depreciation of plant is 2 lakhs 50,000 into 9 by 12 is 10 by 100. 2 lakhs 50,000 into 9 by 12 into 10 by 100. So 18,750. 2 lakhs 50,000. 2 lakhs 50,000 is the actual plant. 9 by 12 into 10. So here we plant at the cost of 2 lakhs was used for 1st January to 31st December. So remaining we need to add it. So 2 of one we need to calculate 2 lakhs. That is not 2 lakhs 50,000. 2 lakhs calculation of depreciation. Here we see here 2 lakhs into 9 by 12 into 10 by 100. 2 lakhs 50,000, that is remaining 50,000. Calculation of depreciation wages. So depreciation 2 lakhs 50,000. So we see here both side 3 by 12, 9 by 12. 2 lakhs returns to the stores. So plant with cost of rupees 2 lakhs was used 1st January to 30th. That is 2 lakhs. We need to calculate 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs into 9 by 12. After deducting that, up we get 3000. So I calculate. So calculation of depreciation. So calculation of depreciation. So 2,50,000 actual plant. The plant was rupees 2,50,000. Actual plant was rupees 2,50,000. So 2,50,000. On that we need to subtract 2 lakhs. First 2 lakhs plant cost was 31st 9 months. So because it was returns to stores. So first we calculate 2 lakhs into 9 by 12. So 15,000 into 10%. So 15,000. After that 50,000 remaining, already remain 2 lakhs worth of with the cost of rupees 2 lakhs. I hope you understand. So plant actual plant cost was 2 lakhs 50,000. But plant with a cost of 2 lakhs, plant with a cost. So 2 lakhs of plant cost was used from 1st January 31st January to 9 months used for plant. What about 50,000? We need to calculate 50,000 on the depreciation. So 50,000 into remaining how many months? 3 months. So 50,000 into 3 by 12, that is 10 by 12. So total we get 20,000. 50,000 into 3 by 12 into wait, still confusion here, tricky part. Wait, 2 lakhs to depreciation. So plant with the cost of 2 lakhs was used on from 1st January to 30th September, and was then returns to stores. Materials cost at the cost of rupees is not relevant 4,000 here. So 2,50,000 into 3 by 12 into 10 by 100. 6,250. So 2,50,000 into 9 by 12 into 10 by 100. That is 18,750 plus 6,250. So 25,000 plus 62,050. 2 lakhs into 9 by 12 into 2,50,000 into 9 by into into 10% plus 1250. So we see here first we calculate 2 lakh overall the plant overall depreciation first of 9 months, and then remaining year months, how many remaining months. So I will calculate again. So calculation of depreciation. So total plant cost is 2,50,000. So 2,50,000. First of all, we need to calculate plant used for 9 months. So 9 months into 10% depreciation. So 2,50,000. So 2,50,000 is the plant worth of cost overall as of now. 2,50,000 into 9 by 12. So 18,000, 1,87,500. On the note, we get 15 or 10%. So 1,87,050. So less as I add remain. So here next tricky point. 2 lakhs was used on from 1st January. So 2 lakhs were used. So remaining worth of cost. So 2 lakh were returned store. So remaining how much after 2 lakhs used? So 2 lakh remaining 50,000. So 50,000. 50,000 into 3 by 12. So 50,000 into 3 by 12. So percentage is 10%. So remaining 1,250. So total we got 20,000 is the depreciation. So overall is 2 lakhs 20,000. So to 20,000 is the first of all we calculate 2 lakhs. So that is the institute is given 2 lakhs 50,000. Calculate 2 lakhs 50,000 into 9 by 12 into 10 by 100. So after we deducting that 18,750. So next 50,000. So remaining 2 lakhs here returns to used. So used 2 lakhs worth of cost of plant you used on 30th September. So 30th September and then return was stores and then use. In the meantime, we need to calculate depreciation. Okay, 20,000 we can after remaining 50,000 is given worth of total plans. 2 lakhs worth of cost was used in between these times 1st January to 30th September. Remaining what about remaining 50,000? So remaining 50,000 that is we estimated remaining 3 months, that is 1 year with next 3 months we calculate 3 by 12, that's for 3 by 12 into 10 by 100. So total we got 20,000. So 1250. So 1250. So that is hopefully clear. So expenses 25%. So expenses, so here we see here. So how to calculate these two expenses? So already given 47,000. So expenses is 47,000. So expenses is 47,000. The contract was rupees 6 lakhs and contractee pays 75% on work certified. Work certified was 80% of total contract. What the end of the year 2012, work uncertified was estimated 15,000 at the end of the December 31st December 2015. Expenses charged to the contract at the 25% of wages. So already wages is given 47,000 is given. 47,000 is given, but how year 1,80,000 wages to be paid for during the year. So here we see here paragraph. So 1,80,000 for the paid year. So 1,80,000 now it will be calculated 25,000. So hopefully clear. Expenses 25% is clear. So 1,80,000. So 1,80,000 into 25%. So 25% we got 45,000. So now we calculate profit and loss account, reserve account. So So costing profit and loss account is 6,000. So here we see CVE material costing 1,70,000 were sent to site, but those 6,000 was destroyed in accident. So destroyed in accident. So it will be transferred to the profit and loss account. So loss will be here we credited into the account. So profit and loss account debit. Now contract account is credit 6,000 here. So 6,000 will be posted here. 6,000 will be posted here. So next materials returns to 4,000. So materials returns to 4,000. So material of the cost 4,000 where the site 31st December 2015. So 31st. So materials returns is 4,000. So materials returns is 4,000. So materials of cost of 4,000 are site 31st December 2012. The contract was rupees 6 lakhs and the contractee pays 75% of work certified. So contract of certified is 6 lakhs. 75% on 6 lakhs we need to calculate. So 75% is contract paid. So work certified was 80% of total contract. So 80% of total contract was rupees 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs into 80%. So 4 lakhs 80,000 is the work certified. Okay, next work uncertified already is given 115,000. So 15,000 total. 4 lakhs 95,000. So 5 lakhs 5,000. So we added, we deduct after we added the total profit and loss account. So 5 lakhs 5,000. So 5 lakhs 5,000 minus 1,70,000 minus 1,80,000 minus 20,000 minus 45,000. So 90,000 is the remaining. We need to calculate percentage basis. So it is more than 30,000. This is the notional profit is 90,000. So 90,000, 75% of cash of the work certified. So 90,000 is the notional profit. We need to divert to the profit and loss account, reserve account. So here we see calculate more than 50%. So more than 50%, that is amount received 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs divided by contract price was 6,000. 3 lakhs divided by 6,000, that is 50%, 0.5, that is cash received. That is 45, 90,000 is the notional profit here. So 90,000 into 50%. So 50% 45,000 is reserved. So remaining 45,000 we will transfer to the profit and loss account. 45,000 profit and loss account, and to reserve account, reserve carried on 45,000. So total 5 lakh 5,000, 5 lakh 5,000. It will be contract. So next we calculate debit side, credit side. So from particulars amount. So profit and by profit from contract is 45,000. 45,000. Contract of 6,000. Depreciation 2 lakhs. So here we see here 2 lakhs 10%, that is 3,1 by 12, that is 512. So 10% next 3 months we subtract depreciation. That is from, because it will return to the stores. 5,000 expenses 47,000 already given minus 45,000, that is equal to 2,000. To net profit 32,000. Profit and loss account from the contract is profit 45,000. So to net profit is 32,000. Balance sheet by work in progress. So work in progress reserve already 45,000 is reserve there. So carry down here less 1,50,000. So buildings account. So all assets will be transferred here. 34,000 material stock account. So material stock account is 1,80,000. So material returns. So materials returns how much? So here we see here 1 lakh materials already given, there's 2 lakhs remaining, 1 lakh 70,000 material cost on 2015. The remaining 10,000, remaining 1 lakh 8 10,000, so 2 lakhs, so one remaining 30,000 to the on the 1st January 2015 we need to calculate books. So now we will subtract it remaining how much? 30,000. So already material 4,000 rupees worth of cost, so 34,000, so 34,000 is given material stock account. I hope you will understand. Material stock account, plant account, so 2 lakhs 25,000, so plant account 2 lakhs 25,000, so 2 lakhs worth of cost is rupees 25,000. So already 2 lakhs, so 25,000 so we need to calculate proper, here we see plant account 2 lakhs 25,000, we need to calculate 22 lakhs 25,000 plant account, 2 lakhs was rupees, and 2 lakhs 50,000 into 2 lakhs 50,000 already overall there into 25%. So 2 lakhs 25,000, that is by plant account 2 lakhs 25,000. So how to calculate this? We need to calculate already 2 lakhs 50,000 subtracted remaining how much? 50,000. So remaining 2 lakhs into 25%. So 25% expenses charged on the vaccine. So 2 lakhs 2 lakh 50,000 into 25%. No. So remaining 50,000 is there. Next 3 into 25%. Sorry, that's wrong. That's not wrong. Wrong. 6,000 was destroyed. Destroys 2 lakhs 50,000 into by plant account is 2 lakhs 25,000. By plant account 2 lakhs 25,000. So we need to subtract depreciation, add it end of the 20,000, 2 lakhs 25,000. 2 lakhs 50,000 into overall into 10% depreciation, calculate, add depreciation. So 2 lakhs 25,000 is depreciation plus 2 lakhs returns to stores. So 2 lakhs 25,000. So depreciation added overall on the 2 lakhs 50,000, 10% charged entire year. So plan to be depreciated entire year is, so 2 lakhs 50,000. So entire added 2 lakhs 25,000. So 25,000 is the depreciation at the end of the year. That's all. Hope you'll understand. 9 months we calculated, 50,000 remaining 3 months, and overall we calculated 10% we calculated on that basis of old plan 2 lakhs 50,000, because plan 2 lakhs worth of cash was written on the 9th September, after 9 months used. So remaining total we get 2 lakhs 25,000. So I will clarify that. So total how much plant is given in my books. The books is 2 lakhs 50,000. So plant was given is plant stock account we need to calculate. So total 2 lakhs 50,000 is the main balance. So remaining main balance. So less 10% overall. So because end of the year we need to calculate depreciation, right? So that's why 2 lakhs 50,000 remain, that is 2 lakhs 50,000, that is 25,000. So already written there, written the stores 2 lakhs. So it is 2 lakhs 25,000. 2 lakhs 25,000. End of the year we posted here. Balance sheet end of the year plant account 2 lakhs 25,000. Clear? So total 6 lakhs 4,000. 6 lakhs 4,000 is the balance sheet. So capital account 5 lakhs. So capital account already given. So capital account 5 lakhs in the material in the is problem. So capital account 5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs. So profit and loss account 32,000. So profit and loss account 32,000 posted here. Next creditors is in the material in this problem. So 72,000. So that's it. 6 lakhs 4,000. Hopefully clear. If any doubts, comment below. So next move into the illustration 18. So a company of builders took multi-store structure of 4 lakhs, estimating the cost of rupees to be 3 lakh 36 lakhs 80,000. So 36 lakhs 80,000. At the end of the year, company had reserved. So company maintained reserve 14 lakhs 40,000, being 90% of work certified. Work done but not certified. So work done but not certified by the architect. That is 40,000. Following expenditure incurred. So material 4 lakhs, labor. So here you see here material costing to 20,000 was damaged. A plant is considered to have depreciation 25%. Prepare contract accounts and show all the possible figures that are can reasonably to be created profit and loss account. So materials is given 4 lakhs. So materials is 4 lakhs. So next labor 10 lakhs. So 80. So yeah, plant next 20,000 materials was damaged. So 20,000 depreciation damaged. So material costing of rupees. So cost and profit and loss account is 20,000. Sorry, debit credit side. So plant was considered debit. So 25% depreciation. So plant is 25. What is the amount plant? 80,000. 80,000 we need to calculate depreciation. Same again. Here they mention not is months and everything. So plant we need to calculate 80,000 into 25%. So 25% directly given, no months used. So no depreciation calculated as in terms of months. So directly we carried 25,000. Sorry, 80,000 into, so 80,000 into 25%. We got 20,000. So 20,000 is the calculation depreciation, and same again national profit. So work certified we need to calculate by work in progress 16 lakhs. 16 lakhs we need to calculate. This is the tricky part. Work certified 1 lakh 16 lakhs. 16 lakhs 44 lakh building multiplier sector end of the 90%, 14 lakhs 40,000. So work certified, work uncertified is 40,000. So 40,000, 16 lakhs we need to calculate. So 3 lakh 68 we need to calculate. End of the cost estimation cost 4 on the 4 multi-structure facility builders took multi-structure 4 lakhs estimate got. Out of 4 lakhs we need to calculate how much? 90%. Work certified we need to calculate here. So be careful, listen here. So one, the company had received 14 lakhs of being on received cash receipt 3 lakh cost of rupees 3 lakh 60 36 lakhs 80,000 into 90%. No figures is given. So 16 lakhs we need to calculate. Work certified. Work certified you need to calculate. The work not certified is 40,000 and 90%. So you see here 41 lakh 47 calculate work certified equals to. So calculate company had received cash work certified what is the formula? Work certified equal to cash received divided by 90% work certified. So only 190%. So 1 lakh 40 thousands. So 14 lakhs 40 thousands divided by 90%. See the cash received, right? Company had received 14 lakhs 40,000, 90%. So 14 lakhs 40,000 after after deduct divide after division we get 16 lakhs. This should be posted here 16 lakhs. So 40,000 is already given. So 40,000 is already given. So 1 lakh 66,000, 1 lakh 66,000. So contract account is given. So next we calculate notional profit. That is 2 lakhs 40,000 is the notional profit we need to calculate. So notional profit calculated. So add it to 3 lakhs. So already the estimation cost should be 3 lakh 68,000. So subtracted builders took multi store. So 3 lakh 68,000 minus 40 lakhs. 36 lakhs 80,000 minus 40 lakhs. So 40 lakhs we deducted. So 3 lakhs. So reverse vice versa. That is 3 lakhs 20,000. So 3 lakhs 20,000. So 8. Just a minute, I will explain this. Just a minute. 3,20,000 is balance. 3,20,000. So following figures n is reasonably credited to the profit and loss account. So what is the reasonable profit? We need to calculate figures to calculate reasonable figures. So reasonable figures, the degree of completion of the rational profit to reduce to the ratio. So associated is 1,44,000 divided by. So that can be reasonably be created from profit and loss account. So we need to prepare contract. So contract account will finish. So show all possible figure that reasonable to create to profit and loss. So reasonable credit to the profit and loss account. So reasonable profit and loss account. So we will continue. No, no. All given here, all given already is given. So 4,20,000 is given. So 14 lakhs. Just we will continue in the next video for the sake of 18th problem.